Hello students, today we are going to learn class 7 English lesson 1 3 question. The 3 question is a short story by Russian author Leo Tolstoy, first published in 1885 as a part of the collection What Men Live By and Other Tales. The story takes the form of a parable and it concerns a king who wants to find the answers to what he considers the 3 most important questions in life. Let's begin the story. Once upon a time, there was a king. He wanted to be always successful. For this purpose, he wanted the correct answers of 3 questions. The questions were: what is the right time to begin something? Which people should be listened to? What is the most important thing to do? The king sent messengers far and wide. He promised a big reward to anyone who could give correct answers. Many wise men came to the king. However, their answers could not satisfy him. In answer to the first question, different answers were given by different persons. Some people suggested to know the right time, we should know the future. So these people advised the king to go to magician. Similarly, different answers were given to the second question. Some said that the advice of counselors would be important. Others said that the priest should be listened to. Still others thought that the soldiers could give the best advice. Many suggestions were made in answer to the third question also. Some choose science, others fighting, and yet others religious worship. The king was not satisfied with any of these answers, so he gave nobody any reward. Then the king decided to consult a hermit. The hermit lived in a wood. He met only ordinary people. So the king dressed like the common folk and reached the wood. He left his horse with his bodyguard. He found the hermit in front of his hut. He was digging the ground. He greeted the king and went on with his work. The king told the hermit his purpose. He told him that he had 3 questions. The hermit heard the question but made no reply. He went on digging. Then the king made a request. He asked the hermit to let him do the digging for him. After digging 2 bits, the king repeated his question. The hermit gave no answer. He only asked the king to return the spade. But the king continued working. It was sunset. The king stopped digging. He repeated his questions. He said that if the hermit could not reply, he should say so. Instead of giving a reply, the hermit said, "Here comes someone running." The king saw a bearded man. Blood was flowing from his stomach. He was running towards them. He fainted and fell to the ground. The king and the hermit removed the man's clothing. They saw there was a wound in his stomach. The king washed the wound and covered it with his handkerchief. Yet blood kept on flowing. Then the king redressed the wound. At last the bleeding stopped. The man felt better and asked for something to drink. The king gave him fresh water. The king and the hermit carried the wounded man into the hut. They laid him on the bed. By this time, the king was also very tired. So he also slept. When he woke up, the bearded man asked for king's forgiveness. Seeing that, the king was surprised. He revealed his identity. He said that he was king's enemy. He had come to kill the king. He wanted to take revenge because the king had put his brother to death. The king had also seized his property. The king forgave the bearded man. He promised to send his servants and his own doctor to look after him. He also promised to give him back his property. The king was now ready to go back. He went to the hermit. He requested him to answer his question. The hermit replied that his question has already been answered. The hermit explained in detail. The answer to the first question was that now is the best time. For nobody knows whether he will have any time in future or not. When the king pitied the hermit and dug the ground, he had just put his question. If he had not done so but gone back, his enemy would have killed him. So the present is the best time to do anything. In the same way, the hermit replied the second question. He said that the people present are the most proper to be listened to. When the king came to hermit's heart, hermit was the most important person. The king understood his need. Similarly, when the bearded man came injured, he was the most important person. The most important thing is to do good to the person present before you. The hermit was present before the king, and the best thing was to help him. This ultimately saved the king's life. In the same way, when the injured man came, to help him was the most important work. Hope you understood the chapter. Thank you.